What we doing, guys? Welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. This is Chef Carlton here from the Just Good Cooking Network. I'm asking you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss my notifications. Today I'm walking you guys through a special recipe, guys. So stick around, guys, and let's have fun while we do this one.
Alright, guys, today I'm doing some Cornish hens with some veggies. So I'm just going to season these real good with I got some all-purpose seasoning, homemade. I'm just going to season these with those, a little bit of oil, cut up my veggies, go straight to the pan, and we're going to bake these and have some nice, delicious baked Cornish hen with veggies. Alright, so just stick around and watch me create this nice and authentic recipe for you guys. Alright, so we're going to start by adding a tip of oil. Around some all-purpose seasoning. I'm not going to use all of it, I'm going to save a little bit for a veg. About that much. I'm just going to give these a nice good rubbing. Make sure it's fully coated. And you could put some of your veggies in the cavity, but I'm not doing that today. Just want to give them a good, nice scrub. Make sure you got the seasoning all over. Alright, so we're going to set these aside and get our veggies cut. Let's wash our hands first. Alright, we're going to add a tip of oil to our pan. That way they don't stick. I'm just going to go ahead and grease this. You could use a pastry brush if you have. This works just fine also. Alright. So we're going to cut our potatoes. We're going to cut them out straight in the middle. That way just so it's flush. Alright. You don't have to. You could still leave it like that, but it's going to be rocky. I just want it to be flush. And that's why I cut the little tip off. Alright, so we're going to roll our potatoes first. Use a space between. Some space between. I don't feel like I'm wasting the potato, guys. I'm going to actually add these in the pot. So, nothing will be wasted. Alright. Now we're going to get our carrots. I already washed these, but I'm going to give them another wash. Set these to the side. I'm going to cut the carrots like so. Then we split them. I'm just going to fill the gap with carrots. Alright. And this has come over a little bit, so we could probably do 3 lines. Alright, so I'm just going to take our hens and place one on top. Make sure. I'm going to put the other one right here. These won't be taking much time. Alright, we're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. So we're going to check them, and if we need to turn them, we're going to turn them. Alright guys, it's been 25 minutes. As you can see, we're not really there yet. But where we would need to be for our next step. Our next step is to cover with foil. Alright, so we're going to cover that, get it back in the oven. Another 20 to 25 minutes, so we should be ready. Alright, so let's see how we're looking now. Wow, look at that. Perfect. But we're still not done. What we're going to do is we're going to put it back and broil for 3 minutes. Remember now, 3 minutes and broil. Alright, so 3 minutes on broil, and this is what we got. Oh, nice. Okay, so we're ready to serve. So we're going to let this cool a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and plate up. Alright, so we're going to start by getting some of our potatoes. And some of our carrots. Space this out even more. Alright. We're going to take our chicken, sit it right in the middle. The rosemary. And I want to get my bonnet. Lemon. Some lemon in there also. We're going to get a spoon. Grab some of this juice. I'm just going to base it over chicken. And we didn't get any tomatoes or bell peppers. Let's make sure we get some of those also. This is so yummy, guys. And that's it. To make a nice Cornish hen dinner. If you guys enjoy this one, remember please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned.